Hey there! Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. I am your host, Ray O'Brien. Today we're going to make a Almond Biscotti Martini. Ooh, that sounds kind of good. Uses these ingredients: vanilla vodka, Amaretto, in this case we're going to use Di Serono, coffee liqueur, cold coffee, milk, half and half. In this case we're going to use vanilla creamer to get the vanilla taste. But stick around till the end and I'll show you how I make a special presentation of a garnish. Okay, let's begin. Now the first thing you want to do is take your martini glass, carve yourself some chocolate syrup. Now I found it's easy to put the chocolate syrup into a squeeze bottle so you can apply it to the inside in a swirl motion. And then what you want to do is you want to put that in your freezer, fridge, whatever, get that cold while you prepare the drink. Okay, let's prepare the drink. First thing you want to do is take your shaker, give yourself 2 ounces of vanilla vodka, set that off to the side. Now take your Amaretto, half ounce of Amaretto. Half ounce of the chocolate liqueur as well. One-quarter ounce of milk, half and half, and then heavy cream. In this case, we're going to keep it vanilla tasting by using vanilla creamer. Then you want to add your coffee, half ounce of cold coffee. Now keep it, even though I have a carafe here, it is cold coffee. It's just easier to distribute it. Like, you want to keep it cold because warm coffee might disturb the drink. Okay, add your ice to your shaker. Now I like to add about 3/4 of the way up. Give that a good shake. I like a shake for about 10 or 11 seconds. Now also, you want to subscribe to my channel because this gives you access to all my videos and lets you know when I put out a new one. Grab yourself a strainer. Okay, grab your chilled glass out of the freezer, fridge, whatever. Now you want to apply this to the center of the glass. Usually I would do it in a circle, but you want to do this directly in the center so as not to disturb the chocolate. That's looking good. Okay. Now the way I like to present this is I like to take some crushed almonds, distribute it to the center of the drink. And I like to serve this with a little biscotti cookie. Goes down really well with a biscotti cookie. And there you have the Almond Biscotti Martini. Now this is a good after dinner drink because it's not too heavy, it's not too sweet. It's actually kind of light. I should say at dinner. We like to have them before dinner, during dinner sometimes. Anyways, let's give that a test. Check that out. That is excellent. I mean, first thing you get is you get a taste of the almond shavings on top. You get the chocolate around the edges. You get the taste of chocolate. Then you get almost like an almond vanilla taste going down. It's excellent. I want you to check this out. I want you to try this. And do me a favor, send me back a comment. Let me know what you think. Because at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail.